Most veterans stepping into online business are thinking too small. You're trying to build a side hustle, but you were trained for missions. There's a massive difference between a hustle and a mission. A side hustle mindset asks, how do I make money this month? What's trending? How do I go viral? That's reactive thinking. A movement mindset asks something different. Who am I called to lead? What belief is keeping my people stuck? What system can I build that outlives me? In Expert Secrets, Russell Brunson explains that every movement has three things: a leader, a new opportunity, and a future-based cause. You already have the first one. You were trained in discipline, in structure, in leadership, under pressure. Civilians struggle with those things. You live them. So if you're teaching AI automation, you're not selling software. You're offering independence, you're offering control, you're offering a path that doesn't rely on broken systems. That's not a hustle, that's a movement. Apple doesn't sell phones, Tesla doesn't sell cars. They sell identity, they sell future. And if you're serious about building income online, stop asking how to make quick cash. Start asking who you're meant to lead. The second you shift from income first to identity first, your messaging changes. Your positioning changes, your authority increases, and the income follows. If you're ready to build something bigger than a side hustle, subscribe, follow this channel. We're not here to play small, we're here to build systems that outlive us.